Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Badon Model School. Student of class 7, today I will discuss motion and time. This is the second part or second class of the chapter. First day I have discussed what is motion, what is race and what topics are included in this chapter. I have discussed those. This day I will discuss about types of motion. I have told you that three types of motions are there. That is linear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. Up to this we discussed already. Now today I will define linear motion. Okay, what is linear motion? When an object travels in a straight line, straight line, then its motion is called linear motion. It means, suppose a straight line, a straight path from place A to B. That road is straight. I mean, a car is moving from along this side to this side. Okay. Then the motion of the car, or we can say that car is in linear motion. Linear motion means it travels in straight line. Another example, when a running train crosses a straight bridge, that time the motion on the bridge is called linear motion. So linear, that word linear, very much related to line. And we know that line means straight. Okay, that is straight line. Okay. So linear motion means when a body or a particle moves in a straight line, then its motion will be called linear motion. Example: when a car crossing the straight bridge, or a train crossing the straight bridge, that motion is known as linear motion. Next, circular motion. What is circular motion? When an object travels or moves, around a circular path, along a circular path, then its motion is called circular motion. Example, you know that it is a circle. Okay, a car is moving along this way, then it is the motion of that car, you can say that is circular motion. Another example, that is example 1. The motion of the child is playing merry-go-round. When students or child are playing merry-go-round, that time the motion of the child is circular motion. Another example number 3. It's very familiar to us, that motion of earth. In the center, sun and earth is moving along this way. Okay, that motion of the earth is circular motion. So that is the circular motion. Okay. Next, Next, that is periodic motion. Periodic motion. Okay. Periodic motion means if an object travels or repeats its path regularly or after some time, repeats the same path. Okay, repeats the same path after some time. If an object repeats the path after some time regularly, then its motion is called periodic motion. Periodic motion. Okay, example, a very well known example, pendulum just moves this side and after some time here again it will move to this side and reaches original position. It is the original position. From here, then it is that path is covered, that path is travels by that pendulum repeatedly. That's why the motion of the pendulum is called periodic motion. Okay. Next, so we have defined three terms: linear motion, circular motion, periodic motion. Next topic, that is slow and fast. Slow and fast. Object can be said, any object can be said faster or slower if they move in same direction. They move in same direction. When any object can be said that is faster or slower if they move in the same direction. It means that we can only compare in this situation. Let's that a car and second car. Okay, it crosses 50 kilometer. It crosses 50 kilometer in 3 hours. Okay, and another car moving 70 kilometer in 3 hours. Then we can easily say, sir, second car is faster than the first car. So it means whenever we are going to compare two cars, the speed motion is faster or slow or fast, then we need that condition that they should move in the same direction. Otherwise, we cannot compare that is slow or fast. And one important thing is, you can easily say that another example, these two path A, B, that is road. Okay, and that the rail track. Okay, a cycle and a train, they are moving in the same direction, along this direction. Okay, so easily we can say that cycle is slower than the train or any car. Any car is there if it crosses maximum distance in few less time, then you can say that is faster. Okay. And another 2 points. Faster bodies or faster object can cover larger distance and slower object or slow object faster object can cover larger distance and slow object can cover less distance in a particular time, so it means it is very necessary that time should be fixed, otherwise we cannot say that is faster or slower. We have to calculate in a fixed time, 5 hours or 2 hours. We will identify which is faster in unit time. It means in 5 hours it is moving 60 km. In 5 hours it is moving, it has covered 60 km. In 5 hours it has covered 40 km. The time is fixed. Otherwise we cannot say which one is faster. Okay. So time as well as direction. These two important things are in saying which one is faster, which one is slower. So students, today I have discussed up to slow and fast. Next day I will start the topic speed. Thank you. Bye.